So when you're writing your problems, you're welcome to write our little legend or our little key on the side of each problem and cross it off as you go. So it's PEMDAS. Remember, you do multiplication and division at each step. Come on up, please. So here is your first problem. 3 plus 6 minus 2 times 2 squared. Okay, now can we just answer this question from left to right? Just plow through it and answer it. No, we have to do it in the order of operations. Very first thing we do, put our equal sign. Our equal sign is going to be in a nice little column all the way down. Okay? Who wants to walk me through it? All right, we'll go.
3, you do 3 plus.
All right, so you bring down the 3 and the plus because you're not going to use them right now. Now, I'm going to use some different colors. You don't have to. Let me get my new pens.
I think I know.
Pocket protector of new pens. I'm going to use different colors just to kind of show you on the screen. You can use them if you want. You don't have to. So, what are we going to do here, Colin?
We're going to put equal sign and 3 plus and 6 minus 2 is 4 and put the 4 after the plus.
Okay, so I'm just going to draw these little, I guess it's like a part of a box, just to make sure that you see what part we're using here, okay? It's pretty easy in this one to see because it has parentheses around it. But 6 minus 2 is 4. And then what, Colin?
Then you have to do times 4.
Well, we're just going to bring these pieces down because it's not time to use them yet, right? So just bring them down. Now, here's one thing you need to remember. You don't have to do this in your head. In fact, please don't do this in your head. It's so easy to get tangled up in it. And I'm not saying that you can't, because you most certainly can do it in your head. But I'm asking that you don't, because as the problems get more complicated, it's so much easier to get tangled up in them, okay? So it's better to just start like this, writing it out. Okay, next step. All right, we'll go.
Okay, you got to put the equal sign.
Okay. Have we finished any of our checks yet? Can we check any of these off?
Yes.
What are we done with, everybody?
Parentheses.
Okay, so I'm going to check off parentheses. We're done.
And then,
Now we have to see if there's any exponents.
and then you put the 3 plus
We bring down the 3 plus. Why?
because you're not using it.
Because I'm not using it yet. I don't need it right now.
And then you put the 4,
And where'd you get 4 from?
the top. Or
2 squared is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Now, did we miss anything?
oh, times. Yeah, times.
Yeah, the multiplication sign. Okay? Good. All right, Daniel, you want to do this part?
Okay, so it's asking 7 times 4.
Okay. Wait, 7 times 4. Where do you see that?
Because 3 plus.
Wait, hold on. Wait, let me stop you. I'm sorry. Exponents. Are we done with exponents?
Yes!
Okay, so check it off. Now, multiplication and division. We're going to go from left to right, just like you read. You start on the left, you go to the right. Start on the left, bring down anything we don't need. So,
We need. Wait, I thought we needed everything.
well, eventually we do, but things that we're not using. I need to say that instead. I'm sorry. What are we not using right now?
I was using it all.
We can't use it all yet. Ben,
Oh, 3,
we don't need the 3 right now. We're not using it. And what else, Ben?
the 4.
The plus sign. Okay? Because here's one reason I wanted to use my color. So that you can see that you need that 4. And you have to do multiplication before you do addition.
Wait, why can't you do just 3 plus 7 minus.
Because that's not the order of operations. Aha. Yeah. It's okay. You didn't see the lesson yesterday. This is your first time to see it. 4 times 4 is 16. Now, can we check anything off of our list over here?
Yes.
Yes, we're done with multiplication and division. And equal to what? 19. Boom. As long as you follow this checklist, you'll be good to go. All right, let's do another example. Let's do one more together.
If you don't learn it and you just see it, it makes no sense.
I know. But now that you've learned it, You got to use it.
That's weird.
Parentheses, 7 times 2 minus 3 plus 2 squared times 1. Very first thing you always do when you're solving an algebraic expression. What are you going to do? What are you going to do, Catherine?
You're going to put your
Equal sign, absolutely. And our equal signs are going to travel down the page right below each other. Okay, so what step do we do first, Andrew? Parentheses, absolutely. And we have some. Ooh, I forgot my checklist. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, Andrew. What's 7 times 2?
14.
14. Now I'm going to bring down everything I'm not currently using. So you want to finish this row for us? What else do you need to bring down?
3.
Minus 3
Plus 2
plus 2 squared
times 1.
times 1. Good. We brought everything down we're not currently using. Are we done with parentheses?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Who wants to do the next row? All right, Colin, do it.
We'll do 19 minus. And
Oh, that's a 14. I'm sorry. It's kind of a... Okay. So tell me what to do with all these things.
So first we're going to do 14 minus, and then
So bring it down.
yes, ma'am.
Why?
Because that's for later.
Yes, for later. Perfect.
And then 3 plus 2 is 5.
Emergency.
2 and then the other 2 is 2. Yes,
Yeah.
4.
Okay, so we need to bring down the part that we solved, which is 2 squared. Good. Then what? Finish this off, Colin. We brought down
Times 1.
times 1. Fabulous. Can we check anything off of our checklist?
Yes.
Yes, what can we check off, Ben?
14 minus 3.
No, of our checklist over here on the side.
It's 15.
The
The exponents. Okay, good. Who wants to do the next row?
I know the answer.
All right, Madeline, go.
Wait, it's next to his multiplication.
Multiplication or division, whichever comes first, left to right. Bring down everything you're not currently using.
Okay, bring down our 14.
Yes,
Minus the 3.
yes.
Plus 4.
Wait,
Plus 4 because we already did 4 times 1, which is equals 4.
okay, so that's where you're getting your 4 from. Okay. So you solve the 4 times 1 and bring that down. All right, who wants to finish this off? Can we check anything on our checklist, Maddie? What can we check?
multiplication.
Yes, we can.
Since we didn't have division.
Uh-huh. All right, who wants to do it? All right, Will, go.
Okay, so you do 4 minus 3, which is 11. 14 minus 3.
Good. And we only have addition and subtraction left, right?
Yes.
So we can do it from left to right. 14 minus 3 is 11. Mm-hmm.
And then you write 11,
Mm-hmm.
and then you put plus 4,
Uh-huh.
which would equal 15.
Fabulous.
I knew it.